Mi3 is a confidential designer, developer, manufacturer of disposable, single-use plastic, medical, surgical and pharmaceutical devices. We'll take care of everything from concept all the way through to distribution.
We get a lot of customers who are small, medium enterprises. They've got a beautiful idea. We'll work with them to not only capture what the device's requirements are, but also all of the regulations and the safety and the requirements that we need to help them meet to get that device through to market as well.
It really doesn't matter about the size of the company or the customer that we're working with, whether they're 1% of turnover or 30–40% of our turnover. The expectation is their order goes out on time and in full every time.
We're in a highly regulated industry. The regulations are increasing year on year on year. That is a challenge for us, but also for us, we see that as a massive opportunity. It helps us to set ourselves apart from those competitors who are struggling perhaps to live with the changes in the regulations and how they may affect their business. We can make sure that we're ahead of the regulations, we can see round the corners, we can see what's coming next and protect our customers accordingly.
Within the business that we're in, particularly because of the guidelines of ISO 13485, there's elements where we have to be relatively inflexible. However, a good example of where we can innovate in respect of what we do would be the integration of a new ERP, which is Enterprise Resource Planning System. So if we've got a new customer that comes on board and they need to do things in a slightly different way that isn't within the standard out of the box of the software that we're using, we can develop that and manipulate that so that it gives them what they need.
So 1.6 million lives have been improved in 2017 because of the products that are produced here at Mi3. That's something we're very, very proud of. We want that number to grow. We want that number to grow exponentially.
We know what drives our customers, and that's healthier, safer, clinical settings and happy patients and happy users of the devices that they're selling. And we sit comfortably in the middle of that chain.
Every single one of the products that we do ends up with a person. It isn't something that goes out and it is just a commodity that's used. It's used on a real person, in a real operating theatre, during a real operation. So put yourself in the shoes of that person, their family, and when they're putting those products together, they're adding that little bit more care and attention. And quality is everything at the end of the day for Mi3.
We have got an absolute devotion to learning and development. So we see every day as an opportunity to improve upon the last day, improving on the innovations that we offer, improving on the quality, improving on the service. By doing that, we know that we will be affecting people's lives in a positive way.